As more and more people use Montana's boat ramps and fishing access sites, rising conflicts can occur. But if everyone follows some simple rules and etiquette, boaters, anglers, and tubers can all get along. Prepare your craft before launching. When launching or retrieving, do as much preparation as possible off to the side before you reach the ramp. Inflate rafts, inner tubes, and other inflatables away from the ramp. Park in the right place. Don't park your vehicle in areas designated for boat trailers. Once on the water, move away from the ramp while doing final adjustments so others can use the boat ramp. Socialize on the sidelines. Don't block the ramp for conversations or pictures. Don't swim, wade, or do things that blocks boaters from getting into or out of the water. And finally, thank an angler. Anglers through the purchase of fishing licenses pay for most of the acquisition and maintenance of Montana's fishing access sites. I'm Winston Greeley, out among Montana's fish, wildlife, and parks.